Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be putting in the carbon fiber valance, and this is a pretty simple mod, I think. We're going to need some pry tools, and we're going to have to pop out a bunch of these little things here. So let me show you where those are at. See if I could get under here with this. Under here we got one right there, got a couple going around. We're gonna pop all those off. Let's get those popped off here. See. Maybe not. Slip and bow. Out. See if we can get the others out this way. And we're out. So now we're gonna clean this up. Get this all cleaned up. Just get all the gook and grime build up that's been in here forever. All right, so we got that out, cleaned up. So this here is the carbon fiber diffuser we're going to be installing. It's a 2x2 weave. So basically we're going to line up our tabs. Our tabs just line up right there. Push forward. Want to break this. Let's see how it's gonna look here. Know what I'm gonna do? I am going to heat it up a little bit. Alright, so I got the clip in. Sorry I had to take a break. It's not completely put in yet, but as you can see, I got the clip in. I used a heat gun just to heat up the clip that goes in here, and I just bent it up just a little bit, and I was able to get it in. The clip that goes right in here. I just heated it up a little bit, was able to get it in. Now we could put our clips back on, and let's check it out. All right, as you can see, this is it completely on with the clips in. I may have to heat this up and bend it a little bit, or put some tape on the inside to hold it in, because this is, oh, never mind, kind of clips in. Oh, oh, we gotta clip it in. I'm not going in here. This doesn't want to clip in. It's like you gotta lift up, just like this one was giving me problem. This one is. So I'm gonna go from under, try to bang it out. Let's see. Mosquitoes ain't no joke, man. Damn. Always messing with you. Need a little bit of light in there. See what it's doing. So it's this clip right here. It's not grabbing. So I'll play with this and get it in there. It's not gonna keep playing with it now. Yeah, I'll get it in there. It's just a little, it's got to be lifted up a little bit. I got to probably jack up the car. But basically, I mean, you get the idea. See the sound completely. It clips in the side, so it's nice and tight. I'll get this fixed. I'm not worried about that. I'll get it from under and do that once. It's just the mosquitoes are coming out. It ain't no joke out here. So that was it. That's the install on the carbon fiber diffuser. Fits good. It's a nice look. Gives it a clean look. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.